Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about the adaptive brightness setting in our lava phone. How can we enable adaptive brightness? Friends, you want to enable your adaptive brightness in your lava phone, so then you can enable easily. And guys, now let's see how to enable adaptive brightness in our lava phone. In this video I will show you guys. First of all guys, open your phone setting to enable your adaptive brightness mode setting. And guys, go ahead friends, you can see this type of settings. So how can you enable? Let's click on your phone display setting. Friends, you can see your adaptive brightness. Friends, tap here. Friends, you want to enable, you can enable. You can see screen brightness adjust to environment. So you can enable your adaptive brightness from here in your lava phone guys. So as your brightness will adjust automatic. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching the video guys.